how to redeem codes on PS4. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Hemi Jarvis. In today's video, I am simply going to show you guys how you can redeem your codes on your PlayStation 4 console. Now, to do this is very easy, very simple, and only take a few seconds. But before I get into this video, I just want to let you guys know that if you want to add me on PlayStation 4, that is my gamer tag right there. Is Hemi Jarvis, same thing as my YouTube channel. And if this video helped you at all, be sure to give it a thumbs up. I will highly appreciate it. It will help my channel grow. And the more my channel grow, the more I can come back and provide more and more content for you guys. And I also just want to let you guys know that I will be buying the new PlayStation 5 console. So if you guys want to see the videos on that stuff, just be sure to hit that subscribe button. Now, let me get into this video. How to redeem codes on PlayStation 4. It's very simple. All you're going to do, guys, once you turn your PlayStation 4 console on, you're simply going to go all the way over to the PlayStation Store. All right. Once you get into the PlayStation Store, guys, just click X on PlayStation Store. All right, you're simply going to scroll down and just keep scrolling all the way down, until you see redeem codes. All right. Once you see redeem codes, you just click on the X button right there. And that is where you would put in the code that you want to redeem. If you bought a code from like GameStop or something, this is where you would put that code right here. So as you can see here, it says enter your 12-digit voucher code or prepaid PlayStation card number. All right, so that is where you're going to enter your code. Let's see what it look like. I don't have a code that I'm going to enter right now, but I just want to show you guys an example. So yeah, you'll put the code here. All right, and then you just hit the done button down there. And that is how you redeem codes on your PlayStation 4 console. Now, again, guys, I'm going to be making PlayStation 5 videos. So if you're interested in seeing those videos, be sure to subscribe. I will be, let me see. Oh, yeah, there it is. Okay. So again, guys, that's my gamer tag. It's the same thing as my YouTube channel. If you guys ever see me on Fortnite or anything playing the PlayStation 4, I will try my best to, you know, play the game with you guys and stuff like that. But other than that, guys, if this video was helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. I will highly appreciate that. It will help my channel grow a whole lot. Yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. I would just want to tell you guys, thanks for watching. Now, let me show you this one more time, though, before I go, just in case one of you guys didn't understand what I did to redeem this code. So what I did was I went to the PlayStation Store. I clicked X. And in the PlayStation Store, you just scroll all the way down. You just hit the D-pad all the way down until you get to redeem codes. And there you go. You hit X and boom, enter the 12-digit code right there. All right. Hopefully this video was helpful. Again, give it a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.